What is dividend coverage ratio? The dividend coverage ratio is a simple measure that tells you how easily a company can afford to pay its dividend. It shows the relationship between the profits a company makes and the dividends it pays out. In short, it's a way of checking if the dividend is sustainable or if the company is stretching itself. It's closely related to the payout ratio, which looks at the same relationship from the opposite angle. While the coverage ratio asks how many times profits cover the dividend, the payout ratio asks what percentage of profits is being paid out as dividends. Together, they give a fuller picture. Why does it matter? It matters because dividends feel safe until they aren't. If a company is paying out more than it earns, sooner or later that dividend may be cut. The coverage ratio helps investors spot this risk early. A higher ratio usually means more safety, while a very low ratio can be a red flag. For someone relying on dividend income, like in retirement, it's a vital comfort check, and it's not just about avoiding cuts. A healthy coverage ratio also means the company has breathing room to grow its dividend over time. That steady growth can be just as valuable as the dividend itself. Here's a simple example. Imagine a company earns £2 per share in profit. If it pays £1 per share as a dividend, the coverage ratio is 2. That means the profit covers the dividend twice over, a healthy margin. But if the company earns £2 and pays £1.80 as a dividend, the coverage ratio is just 1.1. That's cutting it fine, with very little room for a bad year. If profits dip, the dividend could be at risk. What else should you know? Investors often like to see a coverage ratio of at least 2, but what's considered safe depends on the industry. Utilities, telecoms, and real estate trusts often operate with lower ratios, while more unpredictable businesses like airlines or oil companies need higher buffers. It's also worth noting that the ratio is based on accounting profits, but dividends are actually paid from cash. That's why some investors also check free cash flow coverage to see if the cash coming in is truly enough to fund dividends. Ratios also aren't perfect. Accounting profits can sometimes be smoothed or look healthier than the reality, so it's best to use coverage alongside other checks like debt levels and cash flow. In the UK, many FTSE 100 companies are closely watched for their coverage ratios. A healthy ratio reassures investors that the dividend won't just survive this year, but also has room to grow in the future, bringing both stability and peace of mind. To sum it all up, the dividend coverage ratio is a quick way to test whether a company's dividend is realistic and sustainable. A higher number means breathing room, a lower number means potential trouble. For dividend investors, it's a handy tool to separate reliable income from risky promises. Think of it like a safety buffer. The bigger the cushion, the more confident you can feel that your dividend income won't suddenly disappear. Thanks for watching this video. Not sure where to go from here? You don't need another video, you need a plan. Grab the free 5-day series below and start investing with confidence. The link's right here on screen and in the description. Don't miss out.